Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me an Arial E. I made it a lot bigger for the video, and they want these items, the middle of the E, to be equal length of the other. So I'm going to left click, no fill, right click and outline, and I'm going to go up to object and I'm going to convert it to a curve. And what that did is it gave us nodes on the corners that you could take the shape tool and move around. So there's one way you can do it, is have it snap to the, and then move these, but it won't really snap to it because you've got two of them. And you could get it bought, and you could hold down the control button so you could be dead on, but you can't, you'd have to really zoom in to do that. So the other way to do it would be to select these two first, hold down the shift key, select these two, go up to align nodes vertically and hit OK. And when I hit OK, watch these two nodes jump over to that. So now they're all equal. They're all aligned together. You know what? The bottom one actually looks like it's a little, yes. So the one you want to move, let me get rid of that indexing line. The one you want to move is the one you want to select first. So let's select those two nodes, shift select those two nodes, and align vertically. And watch that move to the left. Now all the nodes are perfectly aligned with the other one. This is only going to work on a few letters like E and F and things that have extremities like that. But you could always align the nodes to make it better. And even like, if you wanted it a little thicker, you could take the shape tool and hold down the control button and move that. And then you go, I want these exactly right. So the one you want to move is the one you want to select first. Then hold down the shift key and select that. Then go to align nodes. This only works when you have the shape tool. And it'll align those nodes and that'll be thicker. Anyway, I hope it helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.